Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Cordless hard floor cleaner from Silvercrest. 3-in-1, wipe, vacuum and dry in a single process. For wet and dry cleaning, suitable for various floor types such as laminate, tiles, parquet or vinyl. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. So many accessories. Let's see one by one what we have in the box. Storage tray with charging base. That goes here. Press. And it will lock. Very easy. Silicone pads. It will stay very secure at any surface. 2 metal contact plates for charging the vacuum. You need the power adapter with a cable length 1.5 meters, and you can connect that here at the base. Nice. And then you can place the vacuum and it will start to charge. I will show you. Accessories and parts basket. I like that. The cleaning brush, flexible, and the foldable blade. You can use it for cutting. Storage, I like it. And that goes here. Nice. Next we have this HEPA filter. The handle with a release button. Another 2 buttons here, power setting button and on-off self-cleaning button. I will show you how it works. And the pump trigger button here. 3 indicators for the battery status. And we have this screw, how you can use the screw. Let me show you. You need to install that here. Perfect. Lock. And then you need to install and the screw. Tied it very well. To fold, press this button. Another indicator for the waste water tank. Here it is the clean water tank. Press this button to remove. The capacity it is 600 ml maximum. Lock unlock. Remove and fill up with water. So easy. Press, rotate and it locks. Transparent, so you can see all the time how much water you have inside. Maximum it says here. And it is very easy to install. Press and it locks. Here it is the waste water tank with a capacity 480 ml. Press this button to remove. Pull and remove the cover. And here it is the filter, another filter, pre-install it, so you have a second replacement. I like it. Silicone rubber around, sealing very well the cover of the container. Press and it locks. Carry handle, transparent, so you can see how much water you have inside, wastewater, max capacity. Silicone rubber in here and here. Press and it locks. And now, here we have two huge wheels. Soft wheels, I like that. It is adjustable. Inside it has a spiral hose, flexible. We have the front transparent cover. Press these two switches and you can remove that. The roller. Second replacement, I like that. And it is very easy to remove. It is magnetic, just pull and remove. So easy. Wow. Just love it. And to replace with a second, pull this adapter. Install that here. Magnetic. I like it. At the bottom we have another two small wheels, very soft wheels. It will not damage your sensitive floor. The two metal contact plates here are coming in contact with the base and it will start charge this vacuum. You can remove this front unit, the cleaner, and then place back the cover, transparent cover. That was all. So you don't have to remove this cover, just pull this magnetic adapter and remove the roller. Silicone rubber in here, and it locks at this position. Ventilation. So let's charge this vacuum, fully charge it, and then I will start the test. If you want, you can add detergent at the clean water tank. Now at the handle we have the on-off switch. Press once to start. Second speed. Green light. First speed. And off. It's flashing for a few seconds and it will turn off. And again on. You can press and hold the pump trigger here for 10 seconds to add cleaning solution or water to the roller. And release. Mustard, ketchup and oats at the floor, so let's see if it can clean it. Well done! Now to turn on the self-cleaning function that you should be activated after each cleaning to avoid bad smell and build-up of bacteria. Place the product on the storage tray and then press and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds. Green light. Now it can start the cleaning process. And of course, if you want, you can repeat that. And here at the base, we can see the results. We have these gaps. It helps to clean the brass. And I think the results are very good. Now let's test and the dry cleaning. Nice job, I like it. For its price point, only 159 euros, and the convenience of being cordless, I have to say, the floor cleaner has been quite impressive. It definitely makes daily floor cleaning less of chore, handling both wet spills and dry debris with surprising ease. If you are tired of the mop and bucket routine, this could be a fantastic upgrade for your home. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you own this hard floor cleaner? What's your experience been like with it? Are there any other Silvercrest products or hard floor cleaners you'd like us to review next? Drop all your questions and comments down below in the comment section. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the Silvercrest Cordless Wet Dry Hard Floor Cleaner. I hope this video has given you a really clear picture of how this cleaner performs and whether it's the right solution to keep your hard floors spotless. If you found this video helpful, informative, or even just entertaining, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming home appliance reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep those floors sparkling, and I'll catch you in the next one.